Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this video, I am glad you are here. So today I'm going to be sharing how much YouTube pays me in the month of November as a small creator that just got monetized on YouTube. Remember, I was here last month and I shared how much YouTube paid me. I am here again to do the same thing in the month of November. So we'll see if we are progressing or we are digressing, because the goal is to make more than what you made previous month. The goal is to move forward, not to move backward. So let's see if this channel was able to move forward. So without further ado, let's dive into the video of today. So guys, if you are a creator here on YouTube, you would have heard a lot of people, a lot of creators talk about, long form video, short form video, live stream, posts, and the rest of them. I have watched a lot of videos concerning which of the video can perform and which of the video can actually earn you more money on YouTube. So, and I've made my research and I have put them into practice, and I am here to tell you that your long form video actually give you most earning here on YouTube, but to get views on those long form videos are not easy. It's not easy at all. So, and your short form videos intend to go viral more than your long form video. Every content have their own viewers. Yes, every content have their own viewers, depend on what you monetize your channel with. If you monetize your channel with live stream, to get views on your long form video is going to be kind of hard. It's going to be kind of hard. And if you monetize with long form videos, that's the best for you. But a lot of us don't have the patience to monetize with long form videos, because it's not easy at all. So guys, each of these content have their own viewers, and each of them have the way they pay each creator. So what I would just say is keep going, keep pushing. Yes, keep going and keep pushing. One day your video will just go viral. Let's see which of my videos this month actually gets the highest amount of money. I learned some trick about a week now, and I've been implementing it on this channel, and it has been giving me good results. I'm going to be sharing it maybe in my next video. I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 contents that got me the most money in this month of November. I'm going to one content that got me the most earning in the month of November is perfect lining for micro twist. I'm going to be displaying it on the screen so that you can also see it. So it's perfect lining for micro twist. So the video got 22.1 thousand views, and it got 98 subscribers. It got 98 subscribers, and it got me $2.15, which is not really bad because it's a short form video. I think just a 10 seconds video. And the next video is let's make some corn. 11.4 thousand view. It's got 15 subscribers, and it's got 16 cents. So the next one is my live stream how to ventilate a full day school frontal wig. After I made the live stream, it's got 12 view and 21 cents. And the fourth one, also a live stream. There are other ones that is below. I think these are the one that got the most views. No, the first was 22.1 thousand views. Then the second one is let's make cornrow guys, so 11,000 views. And then my live stream got 10.2 thousand views. And then this fourth one is Also a live stream that got 8.4 thousand views. Then the fifth one is getting this clean pass on knotless braid. It also got 8.1 thousand 8.1 thousand views. So there are other ones that are below, which are also live stream and short. Let's go to how much, which of the contents got me the highest money in the month of. So let's go to revenue. So the revenue that I got this month is video performance. Last 28 days is $1 to 27 performance. Short performance is $10.25. Live performance got $1. Total amount I got for the month of November is $12.03. Last month, that was October, I made just I think 5 point something dollar. Then this month is $12. I'll spray this December, I'll be able to make much more money than the previous month. Be able to get my first payout from YouTube. So if I get my first payout, I'm still going to be sharing it with you guys. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.